If you're having trouble in CapCut and need to get help the right way, this video will show you exactly how to report a problem on CapCut step by step. Whether you're dealing with a bug, a missing feature, export issues, crashing, or something not working as expected, submitting a proper report can help CapCut support understand the issue faster and hopefully get you a solution sooner. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open CapCut on your computer and wait for the homepage to load. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner of the window. There you'll see the notification button. This is where CapCut keeps several account and support options, so go ahead and click that icon. After the menu opens, select Feedback. This is the section that allows you to contact CapCut directly about a problem, suggestion, or issue you're experiencing. On the feedback page, you'll usually see different types of reports, so choose either feature request or issue depending on what you need. If something in the app is broken or not working properly, choose issue. If you want to request a new function or improvement, choose feature request. Next, you'll need to pick the correct topic or feature from the drop-down menu. Try to choose the option that matches your problem as closely as possible. This helps route your report to the right support category and makes it easier for the team to understand what's happening. Now, move down to the description box. This is where you explain the problem in detail. Keep it clear, specific, and easy to understand. Describe what you were doing, what happened, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened. You can include error messages, device details, or any steps that trigger the issue. Just make sure your explanation stays under 2,000 characters so it fits within the limit. If you want to make your report stronger, click the attachments area and upload visual proof. CapCut allows you to include up to 5 screenshots or screen recordings, which is very helpful if the bug is visual or hard to explain in words. The more clear evidence you provide, the easier it is for support to investigate your case. If the problem is only happening in one specific timeline or project, CapCut also gives you the option to upload the project configuration file. This is especially useful for technical bugs tied to a particular edit. To do that, locate the project save folder on your computer and find the file named projectconfig.json. Uploading that file can give support more context about your project setup and help them reproduce the issue more accurately. Before you submit, make sure to enter a valid email address in the contact box. This is important because CapCut support may need to reply to you directly with follow-up questions or troubleshooting steps. Double check that the email is typed correctly so you don't miss any response. Once everything looks good, click Submit or Send to officially log your ticket into CapCut's customer support system. After that, your report is on its way, and you can wait for a reply from the support team. And that's it. You've now learned how to report a problem on CapCut the right way. If this video helped you out, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, quick fixes, and helpful app guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.